A very good evening to all of you. So basic mathematics in BARC is very important. So we are not the mathematics students, so we don't need to go into depth, right? So if we practice the questions in a right manner, in a right way, that is more than enough. So this question which I'm showing on board, that question is this type of questions might ask in the exams. So I will tell you how you have to do this type of questions. Okay, let us start. So first of all, find the ratio in which line joining P 4,12 Q 5,-3 is divided by x-axis and y-axis. So if you observe, given the line, so one line joining with P and Q points, right? Joining with P and Q points, you have to calculate the ratio divided by the x-axis and y-axis. So simple. First of all, I'm drawing a line here like this, right? So here the point P is there. So P point, that is 4,12, and Q point is there, that is 5,-3, right? So I'm saying this one as x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Okay, so now this line is divided by one point divided by x-axis and y-axis they are asking, so divided by x comma y. Okay, so now we have to find out the ratio. So I'm taking here m is to n. So this is the total question. Listen, first of all, if you want to calculate by x-axis, if you want to find out the ratio by x-axis, so there is a formula for this x. So what is that? So x equal to here m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, right? So this is the first one. Second, if you want to calculate y, so the second formula is mx2 nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So these two formulas just you have to remember, right? Now what have to do? So because of x-axis, what is the ratio? Because of y-axis, what is the ratio, right? So first of all, I'm calculating here x-axis, right? So whenever I'm talking about the x-axis, you have to remember one thing. So y-axis is 0. Whenever I'm talking about y-axis, x-axis is 0. So because of x-axis, so y equal to 0 here, right? Y equal to 0. Achha. So here this is the y formula. Okay, so put the values here, so y2, so this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. All right, so put this formula, m y2 means minus 3 plus n plus n. So n मान लो m comma n values I'm taking as lambda is to 1. Okay, lambda is to 1. I'm taking like this, right? So in place of m I'm putting lambda value, right? In place of n y and y1. So y1 is this 12 by m plus n, that is lambda plus 1, that is 1 plus lambda. This is the first thing. Okay, next one. So equal to 0, y equal to 0, right? So this into 0 equal to 0, so minus 3 lambda plus 12 equal to 0, that is minus 3 lambda equal to minus 12, minus get cancelled, lambda equal to 12 by 3, that is 4, lambda equal to 4. So m is to n, lambda value is 4 and here n 1. So 4 is to 1 is the first one. First answer is 4 is to 1. Second, through y-axis I have to find out now. Now I'm calculating for y-axis. So for y-axis what? x equal to 0, x equal to 0. Okay, so this is the x. Okay, again m is nothing but lambda into x2 is this 5, lambda into 5 plus n is nothing but 1, so 1 into x1, so x1 4 by m plus n 1 plus lambda equal to 0. This is the x equal to 0, so this into this 0, so 5 lambda plus 4 equal to 0, right? So 5 lambda equal to minus 4, lambda equal to minus 4 by 5. Achha. So lambda value minus 4 by 5 here. So these are the fractions. Okay, that means minus 4 by 5, n value 1, so minus 4 by 5 is to 1. So what you have to do? You have to get integer number. So multiply with 5. So 5 get cancelled, right? 5 get cancelled. 1 into 5, right? Here 1 is there. So 1 into 5. That means my answer is minus 4:5. Minus 4:5. Okay. So this is minus 4:5. How you have to represent these things? These things? So this is for y-axis. This is for y-axis. This is for x-axis. So for x-axis 4:1. Both are positive. So when both are positive, this is internal. Okay. So in bracket 4:1 in bracket you have to write internal axis, right? So you got here minus sign. Whenever you have the minus sign, you have to represent 4:5 external. Okay, external. That's all. Okay. So the first one is 4:1, second 4:5. Okay. So by x-axis 4:1, by y-axis 4:5. So this is how you have to do this type of questions. So thank you so much.